I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the 3 best Nerf guns for beginners. The Nerf Flip 8, the Nerf Elite Junior Ultimate Starter Pack and the Nerf Elite Junior Rookie Pack. And well, this Nerf Elite Flip 8 has the best accuracy, but of course they're all different sets. The Nerf Elite Flip 8, and this is a great blaster. It has a lot of firepower and of course you can flip the barrels here, so you have some extra bullets. So just pull this back and pull it forward and you're ready to use these extra barrels. Now you get 8 of these Nerf darts with the pack, but of course you can add any Nerf darts in the gun. You can just add those to the barrels right here, then flip it and fill these barrels as well. And now you have lots of firepower to, well, to hit your enemies. Or hit some targets, as we like to do as well. Now you can cock the gun by using this little lever here on the bottom. It sticks out just quite a bit, so it's not my favorite, but it is quite accurate if you aim with this. And of course, because of this quick loading system, you can shoot a lot before you need to reload again. So it shoots at quite a high pace. Now you can aim through the visor here, which is pretty great. So you can aim at the target. You have to compensate for the lower level arrows just a bit, and so aim just a little bit higher to hit the same target. But it is pretty easy to shoot with this. So if you're looking for a new Nerf gun with a lot more firepower than like your old blaster, or maybe your Nerf Junior guns which may have like 2 of these barrels, then this 8-barrel rotating blaster is the gun for you. The Nerf Elite Junior Rookie Pack. And this is quite a nice pack because you get this very sturdy Nerf gun here. It's pretty sturdy and easily reloadable. But you also get 32 of these arrows, which you don't get with a lot of sets. And you need quite a few for it to be able to be, well, kind of fun. So this is a cool gun with a lot of arrows with it as well. And you get these cool little cans that you can shoot. Now you can of course shoot just about anything, but these cans will pop open if you hit them. So that's a pretty cool addition here. And the visor is pretty good. You can aim, and if you aim just a little higher, you will be able to hit the target. So you can see the target while still aiming, and not with all Nerf guns you'll be able to aim quite as well. Now the pump action here is pretty simple. You just click it and it will load the the air into the rifle, and this will allow you to shoot any target. Now they shoot pretty fast and pretty far, so you'll be able to hit the target without any issue. Now with the gun, with a quick reload system, all of the darts you get with it, and the cans, this is a pretty cool beginner set. So I really recommend this one for anyone looking for a cool toy for their kids. The Nerf Elite Junior Ultimate Starter Set, and this is a set that gives you 2 guns, so you can immediately start shooting with this. Now of course one of the guns is better than the other, so if you give this to 2 siblings, and I really remember this from when I was young, then they might fight over which gets the best gun, but that's easily solvable if you let them take turns. So that's what I did, at least. Now my kid really loves these, and we use them to do some target practice, and he also uses them playing with friends. Now one of our rules is you don't shoot anyone from close by, and you don't aim for the head, and we always put on our glasses, safety glasses, when we shoot each other. So those are our rules to keep everything safe, because these guys can fly pretty fast. Now this gun aims the best, the sight works pretty well, and this little gun aims just a little bit less good, and it also takes in just 1 Nerf dart, and loading is pretty easy. With this one you just cock it and then you can shoot, and these go really fast, so it's really fun for target practice. And this one, just pull back the handle right here, and now it's ready to shoot. So it shoots air even when you don't have an arrow in there. And these guns are pretty sturdy, so you can cock that, shoot it, and well, they don't really hurt that much when you hit someone from a couple of feet, so you don't need to worry about that. Just watch out for the eyes, because they go really fast and they can hit someone in the eye. So if you follow our rule with wearing safety glasses, or never point it at someone who isn't in the game, then you should be good. So I really recommend these guns for anyone looking to get one package with multiple guns for a really nice price.